Bluetooth connection interface. First of all, we have to turn on our printer or docking station, and we will look for devices. Here we have a Bluetooth USB adapter. Okay, so I know the serial number of our device. It is 040, that is it. It is asking for PIN code. PIN code corresponds to last 4 digits of serial number. So now it will be 0040. Okay, so it is paired at the moment. Let's go to application software. It's SMPOS. Let's check our connection. So here we have docking. Sorry for Russian interface. It is docking station. Here we have serial number, version, license number, etc. So it looks that everything is okay. We will save changes and we'll go to cashiers interface. Here we can see that the printer is connected. Everything must be okay. So we'll choose some goods from the list. Okay, and we'll pay.
And here we go.
Perfect.
Hi. Thank you.